Sairam children, today we are going to learn one more lesson from EVS. Lesson number 13, the seasons. Lesson number 13, the seasons. Children, do you know why it rains every year at the same time when the schools are about to start? Let us find out about weather and seasons. So today we are going to learn about weather, season, which are summer, monsoon and winter. Have you ever wondered why we feel hot on some days and cold on other days? Why it rains for few months and not on all the year round? Well, all this happens because of the change in the weather. All this happens because of the change in the weather. Some days are warm and some days are cool. Some days are rainy. These are ways in which we describe the weather in a place. The weather can change within a very short time. We all know that air is all around us. The condition of the air keeps on changing because of the sun, wind and rains. The changing condition of air is called weather. In a simple word, weather is how hot or cold, wet or dry, stormy or calm a place is. Weather can change every day and sometimes on the same day itself. For example, a day may be rainy in the morning and then it can become sunny and clear by afternoon. Now let us learn about season. When we have same weather for a long time, it is called season. A definite pattern is followed by each season and each season lasts for a few months. We have three main seasons in India. Seasons come one after the other. Summer is followed by the monsoon. First season is summer. Summer is followed by monsoon. And then comes winter. After winter, again the summer season will come. So it is like a cycle. Summer, monsoon, winter. Again summer, monsoon, winter. So it is like a cycle. Now let us learn about all these seasons in detail. First season is summer. The hot season is known as summer. The days are long and sunny. During summer, the sun rises early and sets late because hence the days are longer and hotter and the nights are shorter. So the hot season is known as summer. The days are long and sunny. We usually wear light cotton clothes to stay cool in summer. Light colors reflect heat and make us feel cool and comfortable. So we like to wear light cotton clothes to keep ourselves cool during summer. We often feel thirsty in summer. Therefore, we tend to drink a lot of water and eat fruits like mangoes, watermelon, cucumber and muskmelon in this season. So we like to drink lots of water and other cold drinks because we feel thirsty in summer season. Children, do you know which are the summer months? March, April, May and June are the summer months. March, April, May and June are the summer months. And after summer months, rainy season, that is monsoon. The rainy season comes after the hot summer months. This season is also known as the monsoon. The rainy season comes after the hot summer months, and this season is also known as monsoon. In India, heavy rains arrive in July and continue till the end of September. The monsoon is humid and it is cloudy throughout the day. The days are cloudy and it rains very often. Rivers, ponds, lakes and dams will fill up because of this heavy rains. Heavy rains even cause floods. We wear raincoats or carry an umbrella when we go out. We wear raincoats and carry umbrella to protect us from rains. The rainy season occurs during the month of July, August and September. July, August and September are monsoon months. Playing in rain is so much fun, isn't it, children? Now, next season is winter. The cold season is known as winter. Cold winds blow in winter and it may even snow in some places in the mountains. The days are short and cool and the nights are long and cold. We wear woolen clothes, sweater, socks, gloves and shawls in the winter season to keep our body warm. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. And we also use heater and small fires to keep our body warm. And also people sit near the fireplace to keep their body warm. We like to drink something hot in winter. We also tend to drink tea, coffee, soups to keep our body warm. We enjoy eating fruits like apple, plum and peaches in winter. November, December and January and February are the winter months. November, December, January and February are the winter months. So children, we have finished with our lesson. In this lesson, we learned about weather, seasons which are summer, monsoon and winter. Weather means weather can change within a very short time. And when we have the same weather for a long time, it is called season. In India, we have 3 seasons: summer, monsoon and winter. Summer is the hot season. Sun shines brightly. People like to eat cold things. Air conditioners and coolers are used in summer season. People like to wear light cotton clothes. And in monsoon is the wet season. People like to eat hot food. People wear raincoats and carry umbrella when they go out. Monsoon days are cloudy and it rains very often. The third season is winter. Winter is the cold season. People wear woolen clothes. The days are short and cool, but the nights are long and cold. People eat hot things. So, this is summer, monsoon and winter season. We have finished with the lesson. Now let us learn the points to remember. During summer months, wear a cap. It will protect your head from the heat. Always carry enough water. Drink several bottles of water in a day. Do not drink fizzy drinks. Have homemade lemon juice instead. Eat plenty of vegetables and fruits like cucumber, muskmelon and watermelon. Avoid oily food. These are the points you keep in your mind during summer season. It will help you. Now next season is rainy season. Wear raincoats or carry an umbrella when we go out. Avoid outside food and eat home cooked food. Drink boiled water. Maintain cleanliness. Third one is winter season. Wear woolen clothes to keep yourselves warm. Drink something hot in winter. Avoid drinking cold water and eat healthy food. So children, we have finished with our lesson. Lesson number 13, the seasons. In this lesson, we learned about weather, season, which are summer, monsoon, winter. Now let us learn some new words. All of you listen carefully. Number 1, weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R, weather. Number 2, season. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. Number 3, summer. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Number 4, monsoon. M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon. M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon. M-O-N-S-O-O-N, monsoon. Number 5, winter. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Number 6, sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Number 7, raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. Number 8, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Number 9, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Number 10, woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. W-O-O-L-L-E-N, woolen. These are the 10 new words from the lesson. Lesson number 13, the season. Once again, all of you listen. Number 1, weather. Number 2, season. Number 3, summer. Number 4, monsoon. Number 5, winter. Number 6, sunny. Number 7, raincoat. Number 8, umbrella. Number 9, cold. Number 10, woolen. So children, write these words in your 9-number book. that is your rough book, and read the lesson 2-3 times. Okay, children? See you next time. Bye.